Introducing the TX7130 Conventional Reflective Beam Detector, a high-performance, certified solution for protecting large open spaces where standard smoke detectors fall short. Designed for hassle-free alignment and reliable operation, the TX7130 uses single-ended reflective mirror technology to monitor distances from 8 to 100 meters. Key features: certified reliability, EN 54-12:2015 certified for proven beam detection performance. Wide monitoring range, for selectable spans from 8 to 100 meters via encoder switch. User adjustable sensitivity, 3 programmable sensitivity levels, high, medium, low, for flexible installation. Smart signal compensation, automatic compensation for signal weakening caused by dust, positional movement, and transmitter aging. Self-diagnosis, built-in microprocessor with self-diagnosis function for continuous health monitoring. Clear status indication, red, fire, yellow, fault, and green, alignment, LED indicators for easy status checking. Panel integration, fire and fault relays for simple connection to conventional fire alarm panels. With a compact design and a real user-friendly alignment method, the TX7130 provides the flexibility needed for warehouses, factories, shopping malls, and other large-scale installations. Built for reliability, the TX7130 ensures smart, consistent beam detection with simple, effective monitoring, ideal for demanding environments.